Everyone, wow, here we are at day 31 of the 31 days to get organized. Congratulations on working through the different kinds of clutter this month with me. We've looked at memory clutter, we've looked at I might need it one day clutter, we've looked at malignant clutter, and most recently lazy clutter. Now, this year I really tried something different by delving deeper than just the stuff, to the reasons behind why we clutter, to what our stumbling blocks are. And I hope at least one, possibly more of those types of clutter really resonated with you. It hasn't been easy, it's been kind of controversial, but I personally have loved it. Today, I would love for you to give me some feedback on how you found these challenges, what's worked for you, what hasn't, and whether there were any light bulb moments that have really changed the way you look at your stuff. And finally, this is not the end. If you want to continue these challenges, then you can go to my YouTube channel where the last 8 years of 31 days to get organized challenges are listed. And there you can do a 10-minute challenge a day from here to eternity. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's keep the world a more organized, richer, happier place. Thank you.